Hi everyone, my name is Lauren. I'm with Sweats in the City, and today I am going to show you how to make Instagram quotes on Canva. So Canva is a design program. It is free online. There is a paid version, but for this you just need the free version. And I like to use Canva to create anything branded for my company. So whether it's my webpage, my social media, my Facebook, LinkedIn, blog posts, anything that you have branded content you can make on Canva, which is awesome. And so today I'm going to show you how to make quote images for your Instagram feed. I like quote images, especially if you're a coach, because you're always motivating people and it creates a nice look for your feed, which I'll show you. And yeah, it's just some fun information to put on there, something that's different. So you can use this for quotes, or you could use it for information or tips or anything written that you want to have branded on your Instagram feed. Okay, so from here, we are going to select social media. So it is a square, that's what we want for Instagram. So double click on that and you are going to get a new blank canvas. So on your left, you can see the different templates that you can use if you want. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but since we're doing just a quote, we're going to have a plain background. We're going to choose one of my branded colors. And then we're going to select our own text font. So pick text. Again, you can use their templated ones or you can use branded ones. These I've put in before. And so you click on it, it comes over here. If you decide that you don't want it, you can go up here and select the text that you do want. So maybe you want this one. And then from here, we're going to copy and paste in our quote. So we'll go to my notes page. We're going to highlight it, copy it, and paste it in. You kind of feel like you want it to be all capitals, so you'll click on these A, so uppercase, lowercase, click on it, and it's going to go capitalized for you. So you make sure that it is in the quotes, and then you can drag it around, and the lines will show you when it's in the middle of your square, which is what you want, or maybe that's what I want, but maybe you decide to have it in the corner or wherever you want, just as long as it's consistent. But in the middle is good for me because I know I can consistently get it in the middle every time. Then we're going to add the Walt Disney, so the guy who said this. Walt Disney is a great man. We want to give him credit. And so we'll put his name in the bottom right-hand corner. It's going in the middle, and I want to make sure that it is always consistent. So we are going to make it, and so it's formatted to the right. So we can always put the person's name who said the quote in the bottom right-hand corner, just inside the square. So right there. And then go over. I spell everything wrong, so copy and paste is how I always do it. So paste his name right in there. Great. So that is that's how you get like one square of what it looks like. So if you don't like this, you can change the font color, maybe make it white, change the spacing and the line height. So maybe you want to squish it down a bit, double check everything again to make sure it's centered, change Walt Disney to white as well, make it look pretty. Great. Sure, all of it is changed. Oh no. Why are you not changing? Got it. Great. Okay, then we're going to click this double box in the top right corner to copy page, and you're going to create exact same image down below. So this is going to save you time because now you're just going to go back, highlight another quote that you've saved, double click, paste it in. Make sure it's in the center. Great. Go and get Will's name. Put that in the bottom right-hand corner. Awesome. So now you have two pages, two screens that look the same, ready to post up into Instagram. And so from here, you're going to download them, pick the PNG format, that's the best, all pages. So if you wanted just to click one, you could just pick one or the other, but we want all pages. So both, done, and download. So it is going to download it into a zip folder. You may not be able to see this. So zip folder, I'm going to save it. And you can see it, I only have some of my screen. Oh, there we go. So right here, double click, and then from there you will be able to open your images and drag and drop them here, drag and drop them into your, I use Planoly, but whatever you use to plan your Instagram. And so that, my friends, is how you create templated slides for your Instagram feed. Again, you can use this with quotes, tips, anything that pertains to your brand and that you want to give your clients the information that they need. Motivate them, get them working out, get them eating right. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.